never seen. A to a D, that's money.
All right, so I'm making this video because everybody wants to know, does the L'Oreal high color work and how does it work on extensions? I've done this multiple times. This is really the best way to get a nice, deep, but rich red color. I like to use the magenta one. My favorite hair texture. This is my Sweet Drama extension. The trick to this is heat. So this is how the tubes come. It's really not a lot. I'm not sure if this, and that's what it looks like. It's really, really thick. You have to mix this up really, really well. And then I'm literally gonna pour, I use 30 Developer when I do this because it's gonna lift more. So curly hair, you see that? I feel like I want to put plastic down. I don't want to make a complete mess over here. Voila. I'm going to just go in and just start. Can y'all see? So don't worry, don't trip. You're not really. You really got to work the product in. So before I just slap product all over this bundle, I'm going to really work in the product that's already inside. Hair is so bomb. It's literally my favorite texture because it looks like black girl hair. My bitch, I love Partisan. He reminds so you really want to work the product all the way in. All right, so here's a good tip about color. You have to really understand color and what it's doing because the color that you see while the hair is processing is not what you're going to get. The color that you see while the hair is wet is not what you're going to get. So early in my career, I always fucked up color because I wasn't confident in what I was doing. And I would be like, oh no, I would be doing ash blonde and now it would be turning purple and I'd be like, oh my God, it's gonna be purple. But really that is just the process. I just fall in love with this hair more. Like this really like, is this 18 inches?
I don't know, we done opened the package up and everything. It looks a little, I mean, no, yeah, it looks about 18 inches.
I'm gonna put this in a plastic bag and I'm literally just gonna set it inside my dryer and let it process. So this is like my dryer that we just color bundles in. Dry weeds real quick. Just gonna pop it right in there. Boop. Just like. So this is the 10-minute mark. Y'all see that?
Oh. So we're just gonna cover it back up for another 10?
Another 10. Another 10. All right, so 20 minutes later in the dryer, this is the color. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the, look at the, can y'all see that? Look at this. Boom. Can y'all see?
It's pretty, yeah.
Oh, wait. So I really want y'all to see how this Sweet Drama extension behaves. You recording? Now we just colored this red with the Loreal Hilift, one process. And so many people don't really understand.
Oh, definitely just define the curl look on it.
It definitely defined that curl, baby. Inch it out. All right, so I'm gonna finish making my wig and shoot some more content. I'll see you hoes on the other side of the bag.